Hello family and friends, how is it going over there? Today my birds are 3 weeks old, that's 21 days today, and I'm going to be giving them the second dose of Lasota. The first week I gave them Lasota first dose. The second dose is today, and I told you in my previous video that I always put interval of 7 days in between each vaccination. Last week I gave them Gumboro first dose, and today they will be having their second dose of Lasota. And so far they are looking good to the glory of God. I told you I had two ducklings, male and female, and these are my broiler birds. Yes, I'm using new oak feed, 510 at this moment, so that they can have good body shape and weight. I'm going to be switching over to grower, hopefully by start of 4th week. And right now you will observe that all of them, they are restless because they are thirsty. I had to withdraw the water from them as early as 7 o'clock in the morning, so that by the time I introduce this vaccine to them, all of them will have a sip, at least a sip, and you know what? The medication will work effectively on their body, and that is why I have to withdraw the water. So just take a look at how they're going to attack the water by the time I introduce this water to them. Can you see what I told you? Almost all of them are drinking. In fact, let me not say almost all of them, they are drinking water right now. They are drinking water right now, and as you can see, that's it. They are drinking the water because they are very thirsty, and this will prove to me that by God's grace, the vaccine will work effectively on them. Yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, that is actually what I want to share with you. I'm going to be checking their weight hopefully by tomorrow to know what's up, and yeah, that's just it. Subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed to my channel. Bye for now.